What time is it? What time is it? It's 10. It's 10. It's 5 past 10. It's 5 past 10. It's quarter past 10. It's quarter past 10. It's 25 past 10. It's 25 past 10. It's half past 10. It's half past 10. It's 25 to 11. It's 25 to 11. It's quarter to 11. It's quarter to 11. It's 5 to 11. It's 5 to 11. It's 11. It's 11. What time is it? What time is it? It's 2 p.m. It's 2 p.m. It's 2:05 p.m. It's 2:05 p.m. It's 2:15 p.m. It's 2:15 p.m. It's 2:25 p.m. It's 2:25 p.m. It's 2:30 p.m. It's 2:30 p.m. It's 2:35 p.m. It's 2:35 p.m. It's 2:45 p.m. It's 2:45 p.m. It's 2:55 p.m. It's 2:55 p.m. It's 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. When is what? When is what? Breakfast is at 7. Breakfast is at 7. The bus leaves at 5 past 8. The bus leaves at 5 past 8. The course is at quarter past 8. The course is at quarter past 8. The end is at 25 past 12. The end is at 25 past 12. Lunch is at half past 12. Lunch is at half past 12. Tennis is at 25 to 3. Tennis is at 25 to 3. Cinema is at quarter to 6. Cinema is at quarter to 6. Dinner is at 5 to 9. Dinner is at 5 to 9. Bedtime is at 10. Bedtime is at 10.